So dear friends, what are the situation with the new traders? They come to the market, they studies a lot about the indicators, about the candlesticks, about the Bollinger Band, about the stochastic, everything they studies. They start trading. They put a lot of money in their trades and they make loss. Then they stop trading. Once again they studies. Once again they actually uses n number of indicators in their trades. Still they make loss. Now what is the remedy? The remedy is you can actually practice your trades with virtual money before you actually trade with real money. So if you can practice your trades with virtual money, you can actually increase your accuracy. You can gain confidence on the indicators that you are using. After that, you can actually trade with real money. So now, in the Indian market, there is no good virtual trading platform available. So I have found a foreign virtual trading platform where actually you can test trading with virtual money. So here I'll be showing you how you can test your indicators, your indicator setups, and still there is no chance of losing money because you will be trading only on virtual money. So here in this video I'll show you IQ option website where actually you can get $10,000 of virtual money and you can test your trading. You will not get Indian stocks, but still you can actually test the indicator setups over there, and you can, after that, once you are familiar with the indicator setups, after you are seeing how you can make profits there, you can actually execute the same strategies in the Indian platform. Now dear friends, IQ option also is having their real money section, but I am not suggesting you to put any kind of real money in IQ option. Here you use the IQ option website only for testing purpose, because we Indians are not allowed to trade on the forex. So do not trade on the forex, just use this IQ option website for testing on forex or on metals or crude oils or something like that. So dear friends, I'll show you more about the IQ option website and how you can use it without paying a single paisa, without paying a single penny. I'll show you how you can test your trading over there. But before that, I'll suggest you to subscribe to my channel first. Now friends, let me show you how you can go to the IQ options website. So simply go to Google and write IQ option. So here IQ option, you can see the first thing that comes, IQ option trading platform. So you will click here. So you will be redirected to the IQ option website. So here first thing, you can actually need to sign up. So you will click on sign up and you can sign up with your email and your password. So here you can sign up with your email and your password. And if you already have an account, you can directly click on login. So you can click on login, and here on iqoption.com you can directly log in. Or you can also use the social networking options like Facebook or Google to log in to IQ option. You can see there is an IQ option India site also. So this is the India site. So you can log in to this India site too. Now I am already having an account in IQ option. So I will be directly going to that account. Now friends, this is my practice account in IQ option. So here you can see on the IQ option there is a things to complete. Here you need to first create an account. I have already done. Then you need to select an asset you like. I have already selected, suppose crude oil. Then here you need to first forecast. So I have already did that. Then you need to confirm your email. I I have already did that. And the last thing is top up your account. So for a real account, now I am not going to top up, or neither I am suggesting you. So no need to top up the account, because this IQ option website you will be only using for testing purpose, to test how to trade with indicators. And here there are the buy or the sell options. So if you feel that the market will move up, you will buy, and if you feel like the market will move down, so you will sell. Now you can see there are the chart types. The chart types are line, candles, bars or Heiken Ashi. Currently I am using a Heiken Ashi price chart. And then there are the periods: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, 1 week and 1 month. And even 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds or 30 seconds candles are available. So even candles are available for less than 1 minute also. And then there are the graphical tools, like you will be getting that line, trend line, horizontal line, vertical line or Fibonacci lines. And then there are the indicators. You will be getting the popular indicators, you will be getting the momentum indicators, you will be getting the trend indicators, you will be getting the volatility indicators, you will be getting moving averages, you will be getting volume, and there are some other indicators also available. So mostly all renowned or all available indicators are there. Now dear friends, I am already having some indicators on this IQ option chart. Here I am using a Heiken Ashi chart, plus I am having a moving average attached to the chart, plus I am having a parabolic SAR on the chart, plus I am having a stochastic indicator on the chart. And here if you feel like, whenever you will feel that the market will go down, you need to simply click on this button, and if you feel that the market will go up, you need to click on this button. I'll show you a trade also. Here I am not guaranteeing that this trade will end up in profit, because randomly I'll take a trade. Just I need to wait for this candle to close. If this candle closes, I'll take a trade on the basis of this Heiken Ashi color. So I'll be taking a trade. Let us wait for the candle to close. You can see the candle has closed, so I'll be taking a short trade. And you can see here, this is here, you can close the trade over here. You can see your current profit or loss, whatever things you will be getting over here. You will be seeing that I am having currently a small loss. So in the same way, you can actually put a buy or a sell order. Here I have taken a sell order, and in case the market goes down, I'll be making some profit. Here in same way you can put a buy order or a sell order. Here if you feel that the market will move up, you need to simply click on the buy option, or if you feel like that the market will move down, you need to click this button. And whenever you want to close your order, you need to simply click on the close option. So currently I'll be waiting for some time to close the trade. I need to check whether the Heiken Ashi gives me some profit or not. If it does not give me profit, I'll be exiting on small loss. And there is no loss actually, there is only some notional loss, because this is a virtual system. I am not going to lose a single amount of penny. I am just testing how to trade. So here you can see my account is currently into profit. My account is currently into small profit. Here the Heiken Ashi, the market is moving down. So I'll be waiting for the Heiken Ashi candle to change the color. You can see I am having small profits over there. Some 1 cent profit is only there. I am having some 1% profit over there. You can see, dear friends, how this thing works. This is 1 minute candle that is happening over there. Whenever you need to close the order, simply you need to click on the close option. So here you can see I am getting some 4% profits. I am getting some 4% profits. You can see, and here I will be closing the trade because this is just to show you how to trade. So I am closing this trade. I will click on close all, and here, dear friends, you can see I have made some profits over in these crude oil WTI charts. So this is how you can test with your own setups. You can test with your own setups. So I have shown you a live trade too, and in this way you can also test your own indicator setups in this IQ option website. Now friends, if you simply lose money on your virtual accounts, you can actually refresh your virtual amount by actually clicking on this deposit option. So just click on the deposit option, and here you can see if your practice account value is less than $10,000, you will be getting this option fill up to $10,000. So my account value is more than $10,000, so I am not getting this option, but you can actually in this way fill up to $10,000. And by default the trading amount will be of $1. So in this way you can use the IQ option website, and you can test your indicator setups, and you can make virtual profits in this particular website. So dear friends, I have shown you how to test your trading, how to test your skills on the IQ option website. There is no chance of losing money because this is 100% virtual money, and you can start testing the platform only in few minutes. Just you need to register there. There is no need to pay any money over there, and you can start testing your indicator setups over there or your candlestick setups over there. And I have also shown you how you can take a trade there, how you can actually refresh your total virtual money over there, and still there is no chance of losing money. So I feel that for the newcomers, this will be a game changer because you can test your trading skills over there without paying a single paisa, without depositing a single penny. So now dear friends, if you have liked this video, if you have any comments, just comment me back in the video comments, and I'll try to answer your comments very religiously. And if I cannot answer a specific question in the video comments, if the answer requires more description, so in that case I'll make a new video on that particular subject. So commenting is the only way of communicating with you guys. So please do make comments, and dear friends, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I do suggest you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, because I do come up with these kind of stock market related videos twice a week. So if you are subscribed to me, you will be getting my next video updates instantly. And dear friends, if you have liked the video, do hit the like button also, and till we meet in the new videos, bye bye.